Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today we're going to be discussing the 3 most common mistakes that maintenance supervisors make. This video will apply best for any maintenance manager or maintenance supervisor in the multifamily space. Now, it could apply to some of the other sides of the industry as well, like single-family homes or commercial. Here are the 3 most common mistakes maintenance supervisors make. Number 1, lack of administrative items. Very often I see and talk to maintenance supervisors that their whole day consists of performing work orders, picking up grounds, etc. And I don't want to imply that maintenance supervisors should never do those things, but it should be a smaller percentage of the pie that you may see from a maintenance technician, for example. Here are some of the things administratively that a maintenance supervisor should consistently be performing. Number 1, scheduling with vendors as well as PTO with the staff. Performing audits. Ordering, budgeting, scheduling and knowing and being aware of make-ready dates, move-outs, move-ins, things like that. This will be really important for any maintenance supervisor to be aware of these things, communicate these things to your staff, as well as ask questions to collect this information from the office staff. And a pro tip today regarding this is that one of the things I think is very helpful is when a maintenance supervisor really utilizes their calendar, regardless whatever kind of account they have, and by coordinating the events in their calendar to a certain color. For example, maybe for any time a vendor is scheduled to be at the property, they color that violet purple to allow the V for violet to be V for vendors, for example. Or, for example, if it's going to be a move out, maybe make it olive green, O for olive for the move out. So those are some ways that I think are really helpful. And if a maintenance supervisor shares this calendar with office staff as well as the rest of their staff, they'll be aware of what's coming up. And it's a great way of communicating without taking the time to do so. So that is a pro tip for you today. And the second most common mistake I see maintenance supervisors make is that they do not communicate with the office staff enough. Now, it is very important to make sure you're on the same page when it comes to things like make-ready dates, when vendors are coming or scheduled at the property, PTO of the maintenance staff to the office staff of what's coming up, as well as ask questions to collect information that'll be helpful for the maintenance staff to be aware of. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And the last most common mistake I see maintenance supervisors make, a lack of inspecting. Now, when you hear this, you may be thinking lack of inspecting units or inspecting maybe the grounds. And that is not just what I'm referring to when I say lack of inspecting. I'm talking about maybe vendors' performance or their work, a technician's work after they performed or closed out a work order, inspecting the model units, inspecting the vacant units, inspecting units that are coming up that will be scheduled future move-ins, hallways, breezeways, amenity areas. All these things are things that I see that maintenance supervisors do not inspect enough to ensure they're tip-top and up to the standards of the property as well as their expectations. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And if you have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to comment. I'll be happy to address it for you. If you've not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. Happy leasing!